Online with computers, grade 7th. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 7 students, now we are going to start chapter number 1, computer software. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to describe computer software, discuss types of system software, describe the functions of operating system, discuss programming languages, discuss language processor, describe application software, describe customized software. First we discuss about software. A software is a set of instructions which is used to perform calculations for specific purpose, and it also provides the instruction for a computer what to do and how to do it. There are two more types of software. First one is system software and application software. System software is further divided into three types. First one is operating system, second is utility program, last one is language processor. First we discuss about system software. System software control the various operations performed by the computer hardware. It controls all the activities of a hardware system, and it also divided into three types. First we discuss about operating system, and operating system is a software that control the all over activities of a computer system, and operating system is an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Operating system is used to manage the system resources. Operating system manages the transfer of data to and from various peripheral devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner and printer. And it also used to manage the system security and performance on the computer system. And some important operating systems used nowadays are Android, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X and Windows Phone. These are the operating systems which are more popular nowadays. Types of operating system. First one is single user operating system, second is multi-user operating system, last one is multitasking operating system. Single user operating system allows only one user to access the same data at a time, and multi-operating system allow the several users to access the same data at the same time, and multitasking operating system allows the user to perform two or more applications at the same time. Example, sending a file on the internet while listening to music. This is the example of multitasking operating system. And the example of multi-user operating system is Unix and Linux. Next one is utility program. Utility program is a system software which is used to improve or enhance the performance of our computer system by providing additional and specialized functionality to it. There are some tools available of the utility program on the computer. We can access tools by clicking accessories, system tools. First one is backup utility. Backup utility allows you to take the backup copy of data or information. Antivirus, it scans for computer viruses. Data compression, it can compress the contents of a disk. Network utility analyzes the computer's network connectivity. Second last is file manager. It provides a way to perform different operations such as deleting, renaming, moving, merging data files. Disk management, it includes the operation like disk management, disk cleaner, checker and disk formats. And these are the objectives related to our first lecture. Now we are going to discuss about program. As we know, a program is a set of instructions given to computer to perform some calculations or to perform some functions for specific purpose. and the instructions given to computer are written in some specific language known as programming language. Programming language is further divided into two types. First one is low level language and second is high level language. Low level language is a type of language which is near to computer and far from human language. And there are two more types of low level language. First one is machine language, second is assembly language. Machine language is the only language which is directly understood by the computer, and all the instructions are written in the form of zeros and ones. Second is assembly language. It is one step higher than machine language and it is used to translator to convert its language into machine language. These letter codes are written in mnemonics like this. Second type of programming language is high level language. High level language is the type of language which is near to human language and far from computer language, and a computer cannot directly understand this type of language. Computer required translator to convert this type of language into machine language. These languages use letter words and mathematical symbols as are used in human languages. Difference between high level language and low level language. High level language easier to write and low level language difficult to write. High level language easier to test or debug. Debug means mentioning error. And low level language difficult to test or debug. High level language processing speed is slow and low level language processing speed is usually fast. Example of high level languages are Java, C++, and machine and assembly language are example of low level language. Some popular and commonly used programming languages are as given below. First one is Fortran. Fortran stands for Formula Translation, and Fortran is one of the oldest high-level language. It was developed by John Backus and IBM in 1957, and it is used for scientific and mathematical purpose. Second is COBOL. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language, and this type of language is used for business and processing applications. And this type of language was developed by Grace Hopper in 1959. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BASIC is a simple and widely used programming language. That's why it is used as a teaching language. Pascal. Pascal is a programming language used mainly in scientific and file processing application. Second is C. C was developed by Danish Ritchie between 1969 and 1973, and it is general purpose programming language. It is mainly used in developing application software and programs. C++ contains most features of C language. It is an object-oriented programming language used in developing system software. Java. It was developed by James A. Gosling, who is known as father of Java programming language, and it is used to create web pages. .NET is a software developed by Microsoft that runs on Microsoft Windows, and it is used in designing web applications, database connectivity, and network communication. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, and it is used to produce web pages. Advantages of high level language: instructions are similar to English, which makes high level language easy to understand. Second is it is easy to write, correct and test program in high level language. Last one is programs written in high level language can be executed by different computers.